Hey, welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? If voice is okay, just let me know that everything is okay. Okay, please let me know that if you can hear me perfectly or everything is perfect, then just let me know that. Oh, by the way, as I told you, after a big range day, try to avoid trading. If you can, just try to avoid it. If you just can't do it, then just try to take entry around the morning session and try to trade around PM session is the best idea. Now, so far I'm bullish as I tweeted. I'm just bullish. I'm watching this parabolic gap, 15-minute parabolic gap, this two green line. You can see this is the very small 15-minute parabolic gap. I'm just watching them, watching that parabolic gap. But as I told you, please try to avoid the trading at the morning session. It's highly risky and price will do the consolidation most of the time. So if you just look at the London session, here is the London session over here. Okay, just look at the price action around the London session. See, this is the London session price action. I'm expecting the same type of price action around the PM session, I mean around the AM session as well. But we will see if we can have any opportunity trade. Market is at the all-time high, so I don't have any buy side liquidity. At the same time, I don't have I have a lot of sell side liquidity, but that's too far from the market. Right now, from 15-minute chart, I can mark this clean buy side liquidity around that area, this high and that high. They are related equal highs. So I have this clean buy side liquidity around this area. Otherwise, I don't have any sell side liquidity near the market. Yeah, I have the sell side liquidity around there, but I don't believe that market will reach until that area. So another near about 400 handle, near about 400 handle, market will go for that sell side liquidity. I don't believe that. So market need the retracement. Now where it will retrace, that's the important part. This is the messy price action from 15-minute chart. So I will go to hourly chart, and from hourly chart I can see some lot of favorable gaps still. Let's go to 4-hour chart. Okay, so from 4-hour chart, I'll just mark the 4-hour favorable gap. From there, this is the 4-hour favorable gap. So I will see if it can reach until that 4-hour favorable gap or not, or does it reverse from that 50-minute favorable gap. Overall, I'm bullish. At the same time, I will look after the price if it has any opportunity to go lower. Still now the price is not clean. I will wait until 9:30, then I will just try to predict the price. If anyone wants to trade around this area, I believe that it's highly risky. Still there was a setup. I don't know it will work or not, but still there is a setup. You can see this is the market structure shift here. This is the market structure shift. Price has traded that favorable gap around that area. That is the entry favorable gap. Highly risky, but still there was a setup. Right now market is trading the order block. The order block, is market going for that area or not? I don't know, and that's why I'm not interested to take this entry. Even it's after 9, so after 9 no entry is valid. I will just wait for better price action until 9:30. I will wait and I will see if this 50-minute parallel gap can hold the price or not. So far this parallel gap is not broken yet. From the 15-minute it's not broken yet. So market went little lower though, but it didn't break yet. I'll see if it has the possibility to go higher or not. If these highs are taken, see this relatively all of these highs, if all of them are taken, market will be extremely bullish until this buy side liquidity. That's my belief, because this high is valid for shifting market structure. Though it's not a clean swing high, still this is the obvious high where most of the sellers put their stop loss over there. So I will believe that if it can go above that high, then it will be bullish until that buy side liquidity. It will be bullish, and then it will keep going higher until this 18,888, sorry, 1,448.7. Until that area, I'll be bullish. After the big range day, there can be two type of situation. First situation, it's gonna be consolidated, and second situation, the continuation of the expansion. That means that range will be, it will keep going toward that range. So yesterday was bullish, today should be bullish as well, or it will be consolidated. This consolidation can be longer range or low, I mean high volatile consolidation. It can be high volatile consolidation. At the same time, remember how to trade the Wednesday and Thursday. Let me remind you one more time. This is Wednesday, okay? So this is the price action from Wednesday. Market went higher, make this low. So starting of the Thursday, it will do this. It will go little higher, fail to take the highest high, then went lower. It will take this low, then here. Same thing, repeated again, again and again. Take until the buy sell liquidity. Okay? This is Tuesday and Thursday only. This is only valid for Tuesday and Thursday. Sorry, not Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So when market is falling, I'm just watching how it is going, how far it is going. Okay, is it really wanted to take that low, see this swing low, or it really would love to expand higher from here? So all of this sell liquidity has already taken. If market really would love to go higher, this is the perfect time for going higher. And that area market is very messy from 15-minute chart, and from hourly chart I would love to mark the 50% of that week. This 50% is also valid as a last parallel gap. I will just mark that on, or I will just keep a line over there. Okay. It's valid for stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. Now this is going to be broken, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart as it's broken. Again, if anyone really wanted to take the entry over here, that was valid but low probability in my opinion, because market can reverse anytime. Okay, if I'm not absolutely wrong, then market can reverse anytime from anywhere in this area. So we will see how it react on that area. Okay, by the way guys, I don't know really, do you hear me or not? Let me check. Oh, okay, lot of comments. Good morning Tito. Hey Nicolo, how are you brother? FX, thanks for that penguin brother. Good morning Tito and fam. Good evening Leonardo, how are you brother? Hey Dio, tell me good evening brother. Money, how was the chess movie Tito? Chess movie, it's kind of a slow movie but little thriller, okay, but you know, not kind of commercial movie. It's a boring movie but still there is some thrill. So it's all about a murder case and a blind girl. Little dramatic. I did, I'm in profit. Congratulations, brother Madhuk. And in that case, please don't take any other entry, okay? Please don't take any other entry. Expecting 18397. If it can happen today, I will pass the challenge. Let's see, brother. Good luck for today. Thank you, brother. All perfect. Thank you. We can hear you. Thank you. Hear you. Thank you. Good evening, Sergey. Rogan. Currently, it's in a small 4-hour parabolic gap, right? I didn't see it. I just saw this parabolic gap from 4-hour chart, which is important to me. So only this parabolic gap is important for me from 4-hour chart. I will just, and this is the 50% of that week. So I will see if it can reverse from that week or not. It's also important. I will see both of this level. When it is going lower, I have nothing to do. I'm just waiting for 9:30. Okay, no entry is valid after 9 to until 9:30. No entry is valid. I don't care about anyone who told you to take entry. I don't care. I just don't care. But you can't take entry around 9 to 9:30. It's highly risky. My experience actually. Good evening, Miguel. How are you, brother? Broken weekend. Thank you, brother. Thanks for the penguin, Sergey. CS. Good evening, brother. When you draw the Wednesday Thursday narrative, it can be sell day also, right? Reverse drawing. Absolutely, it can be the sell day as well. We will, if it wants to be a sell day, then it will work the same way. I just draw the line, it will work the same way. But we will understand that very soon. After 9:30 we will understand, is that a sell day or is that a bull day. Okay, so we will understand that very soon. But yeah, if it's a sell day, you will see the same thing in a opposite way. So market will go lower, make some buy side liquidity, take the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, parallel gap, boom. Again, same thing. It will keep doing same thing. Okay. So either way, it's correct. I mean, down day like that. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Jerry, hey, good evening, brother. Pascal B, do you wait for MSS on DXY to support your idea? No, I don't do that. DXY is not. DXY is just like a barometer. Okay. I mean, that just give me an idea. That's all. I don't need 1 minute time frame from DXY. All I need an high time frame direction from DXY. So far I remember that DXY should go for that sell side liquidity. It didn't take yesterday. So DXY should go for that sell side liquidity. Let me show you that as I have the time. Oh, by the way, guys, I guess from Monday around London session, I will stream the gold market. Okay, on the London session. So see this sell side liquidity. Let me mark it from our list. This is the relatively equal loss or the obvious sell side liquidity over here. So I'm expecting that market will go for that sell side liquidity today and it will be taken today. Okay. So far it's extremely bullish and everyone will start to think, okay, now dollar index is going higher, but I don't believe it. I'm just watching this order block. See this highest up close body close candle. I will observe this candle and the min threshold is the last line for going higher. Then I will expect that market will go for that sell side liquidity as it didn't take it yesterday. So I am expecting that market will take that sell side liquidity today. So that's all I need to know from today. If this down close, up close body close candle is broken, that means market went above that body, then I will think that okay, NQ is going lower. Until then, I'm not thinking that NQ is going lower, and wherever it is going now, it is just taking the liquidity, making a false hope for the people who are thinking that market left so far. It left so far. Now it's a time to retracement. So everyone is thinking that market is going for a retracement, maybe until the equilibrium, 50%, 82%, whatever they are thinking, I don't know. But whoever is thinking that market is going for the retracement, they will be trapped. Okay? They will be trapped. Definitely they will be trapped. So it's my thinking, initial thinking, market is just going lower, waiting for 930 open. After 930, it will go little lower, then it will reverse. See this buy side liquidity, this side that high, that will be the target. Initially, that will be the target. So it's my belief and it's my expectation. But I will change it if I see anything. I will change it again as more people have joined. I would love to repeat that word one more time. After a big range day, you should not trade. Okay, as we have seen the huge run from yesterday, huge run. Always remember Thursday, I mean after the big range day, there can be two possibilities. There will be two possibilities. First, it will be consolidate and that will be high volatile consolidation. Okay, or it will be extremely one way. I don't know which way. It can be lower way, it can be a higher way. I mean bull way or bear way, I don't know. But it's gonna be the same thing, and you will not be able to be profitable in this type of situation. So it's the best idea not to trade after a big range day. If you are really interested to trade in that type of situation, please avoid the morning session. I mean the London session and the morning session. Please avoid those sessions. Come back to PM session. Try to find some trade around there, because around the PM session whole manipulation will be done. Around the morning and London session manipulation will be done. So PM session, when you will come back, you will see what is market doing. Right now you don't know, is market falling or is it going higher? Nobody knows that. But if you come back in the PM session, you will see that okay, market is just one way, maybe it is going lower. Okay, maybe it is going lower. So you will understand that okay, market is falling, so it's a down range day, so I am going to take sell. If you see, don't think about the premium and discount, because in my opinion 90% of the ICT traders doesn't know how to mark the range. Okay, so premium and discount you need more and more experience to determine the range. This is my opinion. Please don't judge me, but yeah, still you can see here this is extremely premium, but it is going higher, right? From the premium. Now you will say that it's a high range day. Did you know that when market was over there? Did you know that it is going higher? Nobody knows that. How can you know that it's gonna be a high range day? So you will try to take a sell. There was a lot of sell setup over there, but that is why I told you please don't mark. If you really don't know how to mark the premium and discount, please don't pressure yourself, okay? And don't think that I have to buy in the premium, sorry, in the discount, and I have to sell in the premium, because it's really so difficult. Good evening, Jerry. You okay? I guess I gave you the answer, Pascal. Minato, good evening, brother. Pascal B, okay, thanks. I understand. You are most welcome. At the same time, guys, before 9:30, so I have 14 minutes left, and I can see I have 100 people are watching. Give me 50 likes, please. It's important. Just give me 50 likes. If you don't give me the likes, either way, I'm gonna just. Can I block you guys? Who didn't give me the likes, I'll block you. Again, I'm bullish, so I am just seeing this run as a liquidity taken run. Okay, so market is going lower to take the liquidity. Just I will change my decision and I will go for buy. For that, all I need just a bullish fair value gap from 50 minute chart for the first time. Okay, for the first time, I just need a bullish fair value gap for the high run. Again, I will try 2 times. If the first entry is profitable entry, I'll be done for that day. If it is a losing trade, I will go for one more trade. If it is also a losing trade, I don't care. Then I'm not gonna push my button. I don't care how beautiful the setup is. I will use this tool, but I'm not gonna push my button. It's the paper money, not the real money. But still, I will show you how should you trade. You have to punish yourself. If you do something wrong, you have to punish yourself. Okay? Lol. Hey Titu. Hey Jency. How are you, brother? Jerry. Do you know what does it mean? Lol means. Some of you will think that laugh out loud. I don't believe it. In my opinion, LOL means lots of love. Thanks for that love, man. Thank you, Jency and Jerry, for that love, man. Costa, good day, bro. I have been busy lately with work. I don't get time to catch up. Oh, okay, man. Sorry to hear that. No problem. You don't need to come back every day over here. Whenever you feel dumb or you think that okay, you need some motivation or something, you can come back. I'm a very good motivator. I talk too much. GET2. Okay, what does it mean? GE? I really don't know. I'm fine, GJ. How are you, brother? Thanks for asking, man. What does it mean, GE? I guess you try to tell GM. That means good morning. In that case, good evening, brother, because it's evening over here in Bangladesh. Hey, Rogan, thanks for love, man. By the way, guys, if you are bearish, okay, if you are looking for a sell, please go for that. If you don't want to listen to me, like as I told you, no entry is valid after 9, so until 9:30. You wanna take entry, please go for that. As I told you, here was the setup: market structure shift, fair value gap, order block. You can see it's going lower. I don't care, because most of the time it hurts. That's why I told no entry is valid from 9 to 9:30. Until that half an hour, please don't push your button. Just half an hour. At the same time, I will ask you next week. I will ask you for a picture of your rules book. That means you have written down all the rules, whatever rules you got, maybe from me, maybe from other YouTuber, maybe from ICT. I don't know from where you took that rules, but I would love to see your rules. Okay, it's written on the paper. I would love to see that picture. So please, if you didn't write it down on the paper, start writing it down on the paper. No MS Word, Microsoft Excel, maybe notebook, anything. I don't know, but you can't use them. You have to use your pen and or pencil and the paper. So you have to write down it by your hand, all the rules. You will write like rules, then you will start rule number one. This is rule number one. This is rule number two. For example, uh, for me, okay, my rule is rule number one: no trade between 9 to 9:30. Rule number two: no trade after 3:45. Rule number three: no trade around lunch hour. Rule number four: no trade without a perfect market structure sheet. No trade. Rule number six: rule no trade before market reach to a hard time frame level. Something like that. Okay. So yeah, if you don't write it down, start writing it down. I need to see that. Okay. Again, brother, you have to understand this. Okay. I'm doing all of these things free for free. Do you think that I don't get uh offer for the private mentorship or something? No, man. I get a lot of things. Let me show you. I'm sorry. No, I should not show it to you because it's a personal message. But whatever. I get a lot of offer, but I'm not interested. I'm doing all of these things for free. So you have to respect my word, brother. And here, if you write down the rules on the notebook, I don't have any benefit. Okay, I'm not gonna get money from that. I'm not getting money. But if you don't listen to me, if you don't do that, whole price action is not going to work. The first reason is I have time until 9:30, so I'm just talking rubbish bullshit. Human brain, how much energy it's consume whenever you sleep. Just sleep, okay? Your brain is also taking rest. In that time, brain takes 20% of the energy from your body. 20% energy from your body just for sleeping, for resting. Now think, when you are awake, your brain is working. So how much energy it consumes from your body, your brain? Do you know what is the most important job brain do? Just forgetting things. That's the main job for the brain. So you will forget things. You will keep forgetting them. This is the first thing brain do. This is why it's extremely important to write down your rules or your strategy, your entry model, everything, to write it down. If you write it down by your hand, you will you will lost some energy, okay, over there. Thus brain will remember, okay, you lost some energy for something. Brain will remember that because you write it down and you lost some energy over there for writing it down. Trust me or not, extremely important. Without this, you can't be a profitable trader, never ever. Now, as if you ask me, at the first time when I heard about that, not for trading, I actually heard it for a motivation, from a motivational video. Over there, one guy just told, if you can just write it down your goal on the paper and pencil, you are already 50% over there. Okay, you have already passed the 50% way over there. Now I didn't give a shit, and I thought, what the hell? I don't need to write it down. I know my goal is, I want to be a billionaire, or I want to be a millionaire, or I would love to go abroad or something, whatever it is. I know what is my goal is. It didn't work, but when I was just frustrated, nothing was working for me, I just followed that one thing. I started to write it down. Whatever it comes to my mind, I keep I started to write it down. Everything started to change. Every single thing started to change. So my request is, please do that. If you really respect me, if you really love me, if you really think that I'm your brother, uh, please respect that word. Okay, that's my request. That's okay. That's what she said. Lol. Who said that, Sam? By the way, how are you, uncle? There is wake. Thanks for that, man. Good evening, Jen. Very good educator too. Okay. Good morning, good evening, brother. Your channel is valuable. Thank you, sister, I guess. Melefu Masoabi. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong way. This week, best to wait for our setups. You can wait for that, or you can just jump into any kind of situation. Either way, you are going to be benefited. If you just wait for the perfect setup, then you will learn so many things about discipline, about how to wait for the perfect setup, about how to be a profitable trader, about how to beat the market. Okay, not you are not able to beat the market, but still you will get a vibe to beat the market if you just wait for the perfect setup. Now, if you just jump to the market anytime, you will be benefited as well. How? You will learn how to lose, you will learn how to be frustrated, you will learn how to give up, you will learn all of these things. Okay, then you will just give up trading and you will start to do another job. So either way you are going to be benefited. It's up to you which way you would love to go. Oh, mine one is learning from stupid mistakes. Whatever it is, just write it down. I would love to see the picture. That's my request. If any of you just love me, respect me, or think that this guy is doing something for us, then please start use your pen and paper. I have pen, screen, so technically valid. No more arguments, please. I need the paper, okay? Made by human being. I mean, the made by some. How does the paper made? Like, I don't know. Paper and pen, okay? No, no virtual writing, please. Hello, bro. I have taken long without joining a live, but I have been watching them after the live, bro. I'm happy to say I'm learning a lot from you. These days, I even trade real account. Okay, that was unexpected. Silas, how are you, brother? Personal message from Tanja. Personal message from Tanja. Tanja doesn't know me. Nobody knows me. Nobody knows me. Except all of you guys, nobody knows me. I'm the most unknown person in this world. But why did you ask me that, Big? This week, no trade with low volatility. One contract traded in DOM. Okay. Hey, George. Thanks for the offer to check the rules. Thanks for the offer to check the rules. Okay, Martin. You're most welcome, brother. Good day. With all due respect, remember me telling you that you should check seasonal tendency. I remember. I now remember you, man. That from the trading day that we will be going for all-time highs. Market did that. Absolutely, brother. Makaya. Absolutely, brother. You are absolutely right. Jackie, hello. I'm late. Can you give a quick recap? I didn't do anything, Jack. I'm just waiting. So far, I just marked this 4-hour fair value gap. So this is the 4-hour fair value gap, and this is the 50% of the hourly week. So if you just go to your hourly chart, this week 50% is that line. So I am waiting for a reversal either from this 50% of that week or from this hourly fair value gap. I'm bullish for that buy side liquidity, and as I told that after a big range day, should avoid the trading from, I mean, after the big range day, you should avoid the trading. Now, if you can't avoid it, you should at least avoid the morning session. At least the morning session, because all of the manipulation will be done between London session and the AM session. Then you will come back to PM session and you will understand that what is market doing. Okay. By the way, I will just try. Even I will try because I'm here just to go with the most possible trade or setup. So that's why I will go. But if any of you just trading your real money, this is the rules. Please write it down. Don't trade after a big range day. It can be a consolidation, it can be one-sided run. Either way, you are going to be hurt. This is my experience, so don't judge me, but just my experience. Okay. By the way, thanks for that, Penguin Jack. Hey, good morning, brother. Good evening, brother. People know you more than us. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Asia, don't you think we will go down? No, I don't think so. I'm not interested for selling. All I'm seeing this market is going lower for the manipulation. So people will think that okay, market is falling, but it is not going to fall. I believe that. Okay. Now here, where is that a gap? I don't think so. I don't have any gap today. Okay, problem. Let's see if it can reach higher now. This is the buy sell liquidity, that is my initial target, and then 148.75 is my last target. Let's see how it will work today. I'm going to remove all of this thing from my chart. I will wait. So 9:30 open. Do anybody knows that we have any news around 10 or not? Because I didn't check it. Oh, by the way, I was looking for dollar to take that sell side liquidity, and as I told that this up close body close candle is the order block, so it can reverse from the opening of that candle, or it can reach until the min threshold of that order block. If the body close above the min threshold of that order block, then I will change the direction for NQM and I will start to think, okay, no, market is actually falling. So this is all recap. Okay, you are my wizard, I follow. Okay, I'm the wizard. Since we swept the previous week's high, brother, market is in all-time high, and it should keep going higher. Now, when market is at the all-time high, as per ICT, you should keep taking buy until it proves you wrong. So I am also thinking the same way. Today is the Thursday, so continuation of the Wednesday. Wednesday was an extremely bullish day. I showed that how it worked actually. First market went lower, take some liquidity, then it started to keep going higher in Thursday actually. So continuation of the expansion. I'll keep that in my mind, and initially I'm bullish, but later I will change my direction. As I told you at the morning session, it's a low probability. Don't trade to your real money, please. Even if it's a good setup, don't trade. Wait until at least until PM session. The best option is not to trade today, just not to trade, because yesterday was enough for getting profitable. From you will be able to take entry from here until there. You are able to trade all of this range, so near about 300 handle you will be able to take from yesterday, so you don't need to trade today. But still, if you want to trade, you should trade at the PM session. I am just doing this, the reason is I have to do it, as I'm just trying to read the price action over here, so I will go for that. But that doesn't mean you will go for that as well. So you can't trade through your paper money for just for learning, okay? For making, for building your confidence. That can be the only reason for trading today. Okay. mm, I will send you on Twitter the free seasonal tendency website that I use and share with everyone, since I can't post it here. Thank you, keep well. Okay, brother, just comment over there, I will repost it. Okay, thank you, Makaya, for that, brother. Thanks for that. No news. Oh, okay, thank you, that's cool. Nothing for the rest of the day, so it's gonna be the worst day, I believe. If any of you are looking for sell, please go for that. I am not telling you that please don't take sell or don't trade. I am just expressing my experience to you, that's all. So it's up to you. If you want to trade, you can trade. If you want to take sell, you can go for sell. I have no problem. No red news. Okay, thank you, brother. 10 yellow folder, yellow, I don't care. Mokhom, thanks for that pink hand, brother. Market will be very choppy for a while. Hard to trade it. I agree with you, simulator. As I told, avoid at least the morning session, please. Uh, Makaya sent. Oh, okay, brother. I will just. Did you comment it? I don't know why it is not showing over there. I guess it will take little time, I guess. কে কে ও আম্মা আছে নাকি নামাজ পড়ে মনে হয় কাজ করি আন্টি choppy today. Yeah, I guess so. Mustamimaka inbox. Oh, brother, you have to just comment it, okay? I mean, just you comment anywhere. Oh, okay, I got it now. আম্মা এই দরজাটা একটু আটকায় দাও I just reposted it. If anyone is in, check it, and I will check it later. Okay. So seasonal chart, I guess it will help you. Okay. 50% is marked. Of which week, bro? I told that from hourly chart. See this week 50% here. This is the 50% from that week. I don't know it will give me any chance or not. Over here, what is the best option? The best option is to wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. That's the best option. If you really would love to take a buy, the best option is to wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Now, if you get that 15-minute bullish fair value gap, then that will be highly, I mean, you know the A++ setup? That's gonna be your A++ setup. If you just wait for the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Very choppy till Nvidia earnings. No big US economics news for the next 2 weeks. Okay. Leonardo Miguel. Amma. Amma means mother, okay? Look like the 50-minute Pablo gap that you share in the morning now work as inversion Pablo gap. It's holding super. We will see, brother. Should be broken. I'm just little worrying about this Pablo gap. Uh, it's not a good sign to make all of this candle over here. After all of this fall, market should not make this type of candle and spend more time over here. I don't like it. I need expansion now. This is my fault. I do that, but I'm sorry, but I will do that. Okay, I mean, I will just put my stop loss below this swing low, and I will start to believe that this low will not be taken. So even if I'm wrong, I'll take small losses. So I'm not giving the market more space to consolidate over there. So I will just take my decision, so that either way I'll be wrong or I'll be right. I will take a very small loss, just 500 loss. You can see 500. So that 4.75, it's gonna be 500. Now here, this is the order block. It should work as a order block. This is the last travel that can hold the price, send it back for the sell side. Okay, it can do that. Last travel gap. That's why I put my stop loss. I'm just covered the mean threshold of that order block. If I just get stopped out, I'll be take one handle loss, just one handle loss. But I just covered the order block because I believe that this last parabolic cap can hold the price, send it back for the sell side liquidity. So I don't want to take risk over here. As I am unable to take partial over there, it's a very small range. I believe it's kind of just, yeah, 9 handle near about 9 handle. So I got a stopped out. Just 9 handle. I'm not able to take that partial, or as I am just trading through one contract, I'll just put it to the break even. If it doesn't work, I'll take one handle loss. So far you can see just a one handle loss. My trailing stop loss is too bad, but it made me more benefited. Trust me or not, it made me more benefited. But we'll see if it works or not. When market work with the precision, I get more profit. When it doesn't work with the precision, either I get stopped out to the break even, or a small stop loss like one handle, five handle, maximum 5 to 6 handle, something like that, and I call them a break even. And then later, if it works, I don't hurt myself that why I trail my stop. I just say, okay, my trail stop loss punished me. I love to see that market will work with the precision. If it doesn't work with the precision, I just don't like it. Now, how do you manage your trade? It's your job. You can manage your trade the way you have learned. I'm not here teaching you the how to manage the trade. I'm just trying to show you how to determine the bias, which way market should go and how it should go, from where it should go. But how you will manage your stop loss, it's all up to you. Okay, look like would love to mark that relatively equal highs out there. Still, I believe that market will take at least that relatively equal highs, and then market will go for this buy side liquidity. So 18738.75, that will be triggered. That's my belief. Let's wait. keep it, put there. This range is very small. That is the problem. If the range was not so small, it would be much more easier. Do you know what is the precision? Precision is market should not close below the mean threshold. This fake breakout should not be happen over there. That is called precision. If market doesn't give me the precision, I'll be stopped out to the break even. I'm cool with that. But when market will work with the precision, I will get better range, huge range. As Jack T told me yesterday, your last fair cap hold the price. So sometimes I really hate the last fair cap because I'm unable to put my target to that last fair cap, and when the last fair cap is very near to my entry, I'm unable to put my stop loss over there, and I get stopped out because of the reaction of that last fair cap. To be honest, sometimes I get very angry on the last fair cap, and I told that why there is the last fair cap. This last fair cap shouldn't work. Why you don't trading live with money? Don't you want to make real money? Adyalia, you have to come every day, brother. Otherwise, you will miss so many things. So that live money things already you have missed it. There was a deep secret. Okay, I shared that with my regular viewers. They know that, but you missed it, brother. Now it is going to be broken by this candle. It should break this parabolic gap by this candle, because the very next candle is 950 candle. That 950 candle will decide, I mean this candle will decide where the 950 candle will go. The first macro candle, where it will go, it will decide by the next candle. So it should break that last parabolic by this candle. Let's see if it listen to me or not. Just go little more. I know you should break it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I love you. See, this candle, if it fail to break this parabolic gap, the very next candle should fall and dramatically fall. So say, boom. Do you know what I will call it? I'll call my trailing stop loss punished me one more time. Here it gave me the precision. Here I missed the precision. Just here. Now here is another thing actually, brother. To be honest, I face this problem lot when my entry should be there. Okay, this should be my entry, but my entry is near about the mean threshold. Okay, around that area because of little late of trading view. Little late of trading view, my entry see over there. If my entry was over there, I would be able to cover this parallel gap. I would able to do that, which in top step X, it's absolutely so beautiful in top step X. Okay, but here in trading view, I pushed my button when it tapped to this parallel gap, but my entry is over there because it's little late. The data is little late. So that's why I also get stopped out most of the time because of my little late entry. But still, it's cool. I'll consider this that I was right. Okay, I'll consider it. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I'll consider it that I was right. Thank you, Shabs. Thank you, Madhuk. Thank you, Shantosh, Pascal, Sergey. Thank you. I need some more boom, brother, please. 149 people are watching. Please give me some more boom, man. So you can see this is the 50% of that hourly week. It tapped to this 50% of that hourly week, went higher. So this hourly week 50% is also called as a last fair value gap. Okay, a perfect last fair value gap. Now let me actually see, did I mark it perfectly or not? Let me check it one more time. So this is the high, this is the low. So over there it came to this 50% or the constant encroachment of that week over there, and after that market is just going higher. Where? For that buy sell liquidity. What is that buy sell liquidity? This buy sell liquidity, did you remember what did I say? I just told all of this run is just for taking the liquidity. Which liquidity is going to be taken, I don't know. Maybe it will take this low, I really don't know. Or maybe all of this liquidity, but here is 2 points, just this constant encroachment and this our 4 hour fair value gap. Why 4 hour fair value gap? From 15-minute chart, from hourly chart, it's very messy price action over there. That's why I went to 4 hour chart. Price came here to that hourly 50%, started to go higher. Now I'm going to remove this last fair value gap from my chart because, and this buy sell liquidity. So all I am waiting for a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If I get a bullish fair value gap from here, from the 15-minute chart, I will frame another trade until that buy sell liquidity. I will frame another trade if I get a bullish fair value gap over here from 15-minute chart. Okay, so I will go for another trade until that buy sell liquidity. You will see that one after another. By the way, it's not a bad trade if you see from here to here. Yeah, it's 17 handle, but still cool. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you, Masuabi. Thank you, brother, sister. Miguel, thank you, man. ABS, joking, bro. What was that? I will give you some boom in need. Oh, okay, in bed. Oh, okay. No, man, I'm a boy. Okay, I guess you are a boy as well. So we can't do that. Thank you, Martin, for writing down boom. Thank you, Jack. Thanks to all of you guys for writing down that boom. Love that. This is the, I write it down the order block, but remember this is not order block. This is actually the propulsion block. Okay, not order block. It's called propulsion block. If I were in this trade, I would add one more contract over here. If I had the chance, until that buy sell liquidity, I would add one more contract to this propulsion block. Now you can say, brother, this is hindsight. Watch my previous videos which I have uploaded in my Twitter. You will see how I add more contract. Okay, lots of boom. Yeah, Mikko, thank you, man. Boom, thank you. ABS, I was not comfortable with the longs, by the way. Okay, brother, it's absolutely okay. Okay, I mean, whatever your analysis is, strict with that. Don't give a shit to me, to any other people. Strict on your analysis. Then if you find out something good with your analysis, go for that. Don't give a shit to other people. It's the first lesson for learning. If you want to learn, that is the first lesson you should follow. Don't give a shit to others analysis. Okay, don't just think that every opportunity has gone. I've missed that sale, I missed that buy. No, man. Still, you have lot of opportunities. Just half an hour has passed, and as I told, this morning session it's gonna be very very difficult to trade. So far, it can be very easy to see that market was there was a sell setup. Now there is a buy setup, but was that really so easy until marking some level on the chart? No, it wasn't so easy. Okay, so when you will mark something, maybe it will be little easier after effect or after the price action. Still, this is hard price action. I don't know you will understand it or not, you really feel it or not. It's extremely difficult price action. You are seeing the difficult price action. Why difficult? Because there is no precision. You just seeing that market is coming from here to here, from there to there with some setup. Market structure, sorry, here. Market structure shift. Where was that? Here, sorry. Market structure shift, fair value gap, perfect order block, perfect order block trade until that constant cosment. Everything was perfect. Now here, everything is perfect. Trade that fair value gap, went higher, retest the order block, and the min threshold went higher. It seems like so perfect to you, but if you just look at the details, it's not perfect at all. These two candle which has closed below the min threshold of that order block. If I mark the order block perfectly, I don't remember it. Let me check one more time. Yeah, one candle, two candle, three candle. All of them are just below that min threshold. Trust me, man. It's not precise. So if it's not precise, it's not a good price action. It's the bad price action. In a normalize, it's look like so beautiful, but if you just go in details, you will feel that, oh no, a very bad price action. Hello, my cat. How are you today? I am your cat. Capricious. Thank you, Udaya. Thank you, brother, for writing boom, man. Hi, yeah, I need more sell side to be taken out before I was convinced. Thanks, bro. No problem. Just remember this buy side liquidity. That is my target. Okay. All I'm just waiting for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If it can make a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I will be able to frame another buy setup. Okay, I'll be able to do that if it can make a bullish fair value gap around that area. By the way, I'm just going to remove this order block from my chart. If you wanna keep it, you can keep it. Okay, for your learning purpose. So everything, market structure shift, liquidity taken, fair value gap, this order block, min threshold, now propulsion block, everything. If you wanna keep them, you can keep. I'm just going to remove them because I need to see clearly this 15-minute chart over there. Where did it reach? Just look at there. Where did it reach? I know it's a random level. Elena still didn't break the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I can see it. This 15-minute bearish fair value gap is not broken yet. I can see it, but it's going to be broken, I believe. By the way, guys, did you give me the likes? If you didn't give me the like, please give me the like. Okay, I just asked for the free likes. Just give me that. Random, of course. Yeah, absolutely. That is random. I believe that it's random. See this randomness over there. So this is the only indicator I have in my chart, and that is just 8:30 open. I'm working with this 8:30 for so long now, and I'm getting so much response from 8:30. So yeah, let's go. You know nothing, Jon Snow. I didn't understand what is Jon Snow. To just mark 8:30 or you mark any other? I just mark 8:30. I just told that I have only one indicator, and that is 8:30. That's the only indicator I have in my chart. That is 8:30. I don't mark it by myself. I actually let it go. I let the indicator do that job for me. Jon Snow, which Game of Thrones? Oh, okay. I didn't see Game of Thrones. It was little, I mean, not good to me. Wasn't good to me. So I didn't watch the Game of Thrones. Now I am a noob. Just give the man the likes. Yeah, please just give me the like, man. Anybody took that entry? Let me know. If anyone took that entry, just let me know. In paper money, actually. It is the Lord count. Anything else? Are you not trading 950 macro is due to news day? If if there is a news, there is no macro entry, and that's the first rule of the macro entry. And I don't trade macro anymore. I told that long time ago that I don't trade macro anymore. It's the easiest thing. Very, very, very easy thing. Out of 5 days, you will get 4 days winning, depending on that macro. If you follow just everything, you will get at least 4 winning days out of 5. It's too easy, man. No kick over there. No challenge, nothing. Okay. Yes, I did. Oh, okay, Tamimi. Yeah, here is the Tamimi, the guy. He, he's just a wizard. Okay, he's awesome. I was just surprised when I have seen his trades and his result from the trading from the psychological group. So don't think that I am just tutoring him. No, nothing. He's just trading in my psychological group. He's independent. Every setup is his setup. Every decision he takes, that is his decision. So okay, there is no 15-minute fair lookup, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. I did in my personal account. Okay, what are you saying, bro? No new one, no macro, no new, no macro. If there is news, there is no macro. I mean, no macro entry. The entry I explained in my YouTube channel. Okay, the macro entry. I'm just talking about macro entry, not there is no macro, no nothing like that. Macro is over there. 950 to 1010 is the macro. 1050, 1110 is the macro. But if there is a news, high impact or medium impact news, not yellow, high impact or medium impact news, then there is no macro. Macro entry. Okay. So I'm actually bearing. My bias is that on 1 hour chart there is MSS and bearish fair lookup respected. Okay, if you are bearish, please go for that, man. All I told is I'm bullish until this buy side liquidity. That's all I told. So far I'm just seeing the reaction of 830. This is the 830. I'm just getting the reaction from that 830 as well as from that bearish 15-minute parabolic gap. After taking some liquidity, you know how to trade this Thursday. This is the Thursday trading. Very simple, very simple. I showed that yesterday again and again. No news, no macro entries. No. If there is news, then no macro. If there is no news, then there is macro entries. Okay. If there is no news, then there is macro entries. If there is news, then no macro entries. Simple. Knock on wood, man, bro. 2 out of 2 so far. Niyonte, you trade too much. It's not good. Not good for your health, brother. You should trade less. Can you make it at least 80 likes? So far I can see 68 likes. So can you please make it 80 likes for me? And by the way, let's see if I can touch 5700 today or not. And as it is very near to that, I'd love to keep it over there. If I can touch the 570, so I just need 3 more subscriber, then it will be 5700, a milestone moment for me, for a YouTuber, for a very small YouTuber. There is no news today. Yeah, so every macro you can catch. I'm a chartered ICT student. I just love watching you, but I really don't pay attention to your trades. Keep up the good work, brother. Thank you, brother. No problem. I didn't tell you that. Uh, if you are a chartered member from ICT, then you should follow ICT's first rule, and that is don't overtrade. If you take one winning trade, you are done for the day. So you should follow that, brother. We, the ICT trader, we should not follow some of the ICT rule, and we should not ignore some other rules. The first rule is overtrade will kill you. That's all I told you, okay, brother? No offense, it's your life, your rules. I'm not gonna judge you. I just told you the thing we should do. I just told that, okay? I know all of you, there are some of you, they're really thousand times better than me. So yeah, absolutely, you can trade whatever you want, you can do whatever you want. But that was just my opinion that we should not overtrade. If you get one winning trade, just close your chart for that day. Okay, market, so far market is falling. I'm just watching the market. I'm not interested to do anything over here yet. I will just wait. How much do you spend on total trading view CME fee plus future account fee plus any extra fee? I guess it's near about $24. Just $24, I guess. Every month $24. So 18665.75 is the key level to watch. 18665, 665.75. Okay, that's cool. This true overtrading has already killed me. I'm trying to become alive again. You will be, brother. Just follow one rule, trust me, you will change your life. And that is just take maximum two trades in a day. Maximum two trades. But if the first trade is your winning trade, stop over there. Just don't touch the market for the next time. How beautiful the setup is, how beautiful the price action is, just don't give a shit. Just stop over there. If you get a winning trade, stop over there. If the first one is a losing trade, go for one more time and then stop over there. If you get a break even, don't count that, no problem, because that was just a break even. But otherwise, please don't overtrade. If you overtrade, man, at the end of the day, you will regret, because overtrader, if you do overtrade, you don't have any limit. You will keep taking entry, and thus you will lose your money. Not for everyone. I mean, not for everyone. I'm just talking to them who are new. Okay, so Neonti, don't think that I'm telling you, brother. I'm not telling you. I'm just telling whoever is new over here. Is that CE of week? Yeah, brother. That C is the hourly candle week. Again, if anyone is waiting for sell, please go for that. I am not telling you that please don't go for sell. All I told you that I'm bullish at least until 1878.75. Until that area, I'm bullish. So if you wanna take a sell, go for that. If you find any sell setup or something, go for that. But I'm bullish. That's all. I don't think so. I'm gonna get 3 more subscriber very soon. So I will just remove it from my chart. So wait 4 more minutes. If I get some, then I will see it. Otherwise, I'll just let it go. 1 hour candle bodies on NQ respecting the BC by imbalance result in efficiency. Up we go. What you are talking about, guys? From 1 hour chart, I don't see anything. For me, there is nothing from 1 hour chart. Do you think this is a very clean price action? No, it's not a clean price action. It's just bullshit price action. Team decide first where it wants to go. Now I have some sell side liquidity here as well. There is the sell side liquidity. As I told you, okay, after a big range day, it can be a very, very, very high volatile consolidation. It can do that, but we will still try to capture everything, and yeah, we will see that. MNQ, sorry, I don't trade MNQ, brother. Micro chart is little different, that's why I don't trade them. Highly risky entry. I shouldn't take the entry over there, but yeah, I'll just give it a try. Let's see if it works or not. Market is absolutely reckless right now. Absolutely reckless. Still, I'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, I'm just done. I just covered the order block over here. Covered that order block, nothing else. Okay, just covered the order block. One candle close above this high is highly important, extremely important. And this bearish fabrica from 15-minute chart has the power to stop the price, send it back for this sell liquidity. So I'm really concerned about everything over here. All I'm seeing is I have very small stop loss. That's all I'm seeing here to here. So 9 handle. If I get an opportunity, I will trail my stop loss. If I get any opportunity. Right now, I don't have any opportunity, so I have to let my stop loss hit, or I have to let it go above this fair value gap. Any of this can happen. If it can close above this fair value gap or above this line, then I will trail my stop loss. It will depend on the price, and one thing is missing over here, there is no market structure shift. So that's the only thing that is missing from this chart, but still it's cool to me, so I will go for that. Please don't copy my trade. If you are thinking that market is going lower, go for that trade. There's no restriction for any of you. No restriction. Just my request is don't copy my trade. That's all. I'm always wrong. I know nothing about this price action. Absolutely, I know nothing about this price action. So I can be absolutely wrong. I just don't want you to blame me for your loss. That's all. All good, brother. Thank you. I'll trail my stop loss. I'm sorry for that. I will just trail it. So here is the min threshold. I'm going to put it over there, little smaller over there. So I've just minimized my loss to here, 800. If now it hits me, I will take 800 loss. Okay, I'm just coming back. Let it go, hit my stop loss or hit my target. Any of this. Either way, I will get the boom. I'm just coming back, brother. Just give me 2 minutes. I didn't get stopped out yet. That's a good thing. But can you notice this is the price action happened after the big runs day? You can see it's going higher, but this is not good price action at all. Not even a good price action. Try to understand this fact. This is not order block, this is the propulsion block. So I'll just mark it as a order block and I'll put my stop loss the break even little higher of that break even. Hmm, I don't think so that I will get 5,700 today. Oh, it's okay. I write it down this order block, but remember that is propulsion block, not order block. Boom, because buyers defend 700 if you see flow. What is 700, brother? Oh, okay. It flows 700, 700, 700. Oh, okay, that's cool. I put sell at 15-ish level and field. Okay, thank you. I got that boom, and I will expect the boom word from all of you guys. Please. Thank you, Miguel and Cizo. Thank you, brother. Both of you. Thank you, man. So happy for me. Really. Market is coming for this buy side liquidity. Just remember that. And this is how Wednesday and Thursday work. Market take liquidity, went higher, retrace, go higher. Keep doing that. Thank you, Amash, for penguin. Miguel, thank you. Oh, my trading. Thank you, man. I had taken same trade. Bye. Oh, okay. We have a title. Oh, we have a little wizard back again. That is also cool, bro. Thanks, Amash, for that boom. Boom. Bada boom. Christian, you are new to my channel, brother. Christian, don't don't you, Christian? Thank you, Rain. Not because of seeing your analysis, even I was bullish. That's good to know, brother. If your analysis is telling you that it's going higher, I really love to see that. You people are doing your own analysis. I love to see that. So this consequent encroachment rejection, was that cool? I guess so. That's cool. And obviously I am seeing lot of comment from lot of tweet from some other people. They're asking that ICT things doesn't work, it works for 6 months, something like that. So this random thing can happen randomly, I believe so, but I am still seeing this is working for near about 2 years now perfectly. So for me it didn't expire yet, and I believe that this thing will keep happen. The reaction from 8:30 open went lower. If it can close above that 8:30, then this 8:30 should react as a support. Okay. Until this buy side liquidity. Again, brother, until this buy side liquidity. Then it will keep going higher. That's my immediate, or primarily that's my expectation. If you ask me, no, there is no precision over here. No precise price action till now. There is no precise price action yet. Thank you, MS. Thank you, Pascal. Money. Thank you, Money. Not new, just sitting in silence. Oh, okay. Hey, Casey. Thanks for boom, brother. So, guys, I will just close my session around 11 a.m. New York local time. So, I will be here for next uh, 34 minutes. I will disturb you for next 34 minutes. Okay. By the way, here I got punished, right? I got punished because of my trailing stop loss and because of my order filling. So my orders filled little later. That's why I get punished. But this is how I trail my stop loss and I cover more losses. I'm not I'm not depressed, or I'm not regretting because of my trailing stop loss, because it helped me most of the time to avoid more losses. Over here you saw that I trailed my stop loss the same way I trailed over there, the same way. Now here there was little precision, market respect the level little more perfectly, so it didn't hit my target, sorry, stop loss, and worked perfectly. I'm happy to see that. This is my trading style. I am not telling you to follow me. At least I will recommend you not to follow my trade management because it's worse. But I'm okay with that. Thank you, Maswabi. I was always in silence. I didn't find you there. I was always in silence. I didn't find you there. Oh, okay. So you were talking to Christian. That was fun, man. Oh man. I have 1 minute and 50 seconds left to close this candle. Remember this 8:30 line, okay? Now this is not for sure, but still I'm working with this 8:30. If it can close above that 8:30, remember next time this 8:30 should use as a support. If it can close above the 8:30, it should use as a support. So keep that in your mind. Why I'm gonna use that as a support? Because I know that market is going for that buy sell liquidity. That is why I would love to use that 8:30 as a support. At the same time, if it can make a bullish fair value gap over there from 15 minutes chart, it can trade the bullish fair value gap over there. Okay, so both of the things, keep that in your mind. I will we will see. Okay, the entry was inversion fair value gap supported price. No, it was not. I didn't take that entry depending on that inversion fair value gap, but you're right, there was inversion fair value gap, but I didn't take it depending on that inversion fair value gap. Let me show you why I took that entry. I don't need to come over here, but I know what happened over there. I know it by myself, okay? See, this is that price area. Now 30 seconds and 15 seconds. If you look over here clearly and closely, market structure shift, fair value gap. After trading the fair value gap, I will go the lowest down close body close candle, and in my opinion that is this candle. So I will just, this candle and that candle, both of them are same. I will just go with this candle. Order block, this is the order block, market went higher. Here this fair value gap, I didn't believe it. I just didn't believe that fair value gap. Instead of that, I depend on that order block. So over there, here, this is that market structure shift. Over here, this fair value gap I didn't believe. I, instead of that, I just believe that order block from 1 minute chart. So either way, it was this order block entry, and over there the fair value gap entry are the same. In 15 seconds chart, the fair value gap entry and over here the order block entry are the same. They are the same. So here this fair value gap I didn't believe. Even I didn't see the inversion fair value gap as well, because if I see the inversion fair value gap, yeah, either way it is also inversion fair value gap. I agree with you perfectly. It's the inversion fair value gap. So what I told you over there, remember that. Keep that on your mind, okay? Where did this candle close? Above this 8:30. Come back again this 8:30. Should go for that buy side liquidity. Just keep that in your mind. It can make a bullish fair value gap over here. Way next candle can trade this bullish fair value gap, but still body has to close above that 830. Again, this is just a theory. Please don't believe me and don't take it as your uh, trade analysis. Instead of that, do your own analysis. If anyone is thinking, still, if you are thinking that market is going to fall, you can go for the sell. Don't believe my analysis. Okay, depend on your own analysis. Please. DXY made a 15-minute fair value gap. Let me check. Okay, over here I would love to stay in hourly chart, and from 15-minute chart what I can see is, and then fair value gap, no fair value gap, so over there. Okay, so market has stayed the entry fair value gap. Now it should fall at least below this low. That will be the market structure shift toward that sell side liquidity for dollar index from 15-minute chart. But I am interested to see this hourly chart, and I would love to see market, if market would love to go higher, this 50% of that order block should be the last line before falling. There are multiple entries there. Is last 50-minute down candle that can also be used as order block, and it did perfect respect from there. Cool. So can you decrease the YouTube delay? I don't know, brother. I'm not a YouTube expert. I really don't know. Remember one thing over here, just for your reminding, okay? Just keep that in your mind. 5698, just two more people. I have 26 minutes left. If I get two more people, that would be the best scene for today. I'm just waiting to hit my target from yesterday. Not from yesterday, actually, the day before yesterday. I'm just trying to hit my target. 5700. Trust me, man, this is the worst price action ever. Is there anyone who is new to my channel? I mean, you subscribed to my channel, but you are new actually. I mean, just joined today. Anyone? Just give me a hello, please, so that I can see your name. Loving is a losing game. No, you can't decrease it right now. It needs a good PC and fast internet too. Load sharing, laughing in ah, load sharing is laughing corner. Oh man. Hello, I'm new. Hey Sam, I know you are new. After my wife closes a trade, I will ask her to subscribe. Uh, okay, Theo. That was unexpected as well. Couple weeks ago. Yeah, Nagan, I see your name, brother. Hey, Sujit. Welcome to today's channel. And he's not new, Sujit. He's my uncle. I heard about trading from that guy, Saim Hussain. There is something in this world which is called trading. I heard it from that guy in 2017. Obviously, Forex, not future, but I heard that there is something called trading in 2017 for the first time in my life from that guy, Saim Hussain. So every credit will go to Saim Hussain. He's the man who introduced me this trading, and it's been long actually. I'm off today, brother. Yesterday was a great day to me. We should be off today. I told that before starting this stream that if you see a big range day, please stop trading after that day, at least the morning session. Now here, whatever I'm doing, this is, you can say, I mean, yeah, I'm trading, trying to frame some trade, and both of that trade worked perfectly. This one, that one. It hit me because I trailed my stop loss too fast. It didn't hit me because price was more perfect over there. But we should not trade. This is not clean price action. Just look at this 15-minute chart over here. Just look at this price action. All of this price action. It's not perfect, not even beautiful, not even good. Nothing. Just bullshit price action. So we should not trade in this type of situation. Not valid anymore. Remove it. Thanks, Sam Hussein, for bringing Titu to this world of trading. Okay. He introduced Wizard his kingdom. What a compliment, guys. Don't just give me credit, send me some dollar. You're in Canada, okay? You didn't invite me. So I shouldn't talk to you. You should invite me. You know that I'm just crying to go to Winnipeg, Manitoba, Winnipeg. I'm just crying to go over there. You didn't invite me. I don't want to talk to you. Some penguin for Cyprus. Then all credit goes to Simon. Yeah, all credits goes to Simon. If he was not introduced me this thing, maybe I won't be here today. Maybe. I'll give you some lovely penguins. Love you, Chitu. Have a great day, everyone. See you, Dio. See you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm not coming. Even if I come, I will come at PM session. By the way, guys, again one more time. So from next week, I will try to come every London session with with gold chart. Okay, so I need some more viewers. That's why I'm doing this. So basically, I don't trade in London, but I will go with gold. So if anyone is interested about gold trading, you can just join me over there. Okay, if anyone is a gold trader over here, you can just join me. Hard to transfer the money, bro. I don't have any money. I'm a poor guy. Canada's shit. Only penguin lives here. I also want to travel to Canada as soon as I got his bank account bills. Oh, okay. I in my bank account I don't have any money. In my bank account I don't have. I mean little money. I guess $2,000 to $3,000 maximum. Maximum $2,000 to $3,000 in my bank account. Just time sign. Lots of love. Thanks for that, Jerry. Jonathan. Yes. Thank you. But why? Yes. Is that a potential inversion fair value gap on the 15-minute, brother? Which one you are talking about from 15-minute chart? I don't see any inversion fair value gap yet. I mean, this is not a clean price action, nothing yet. So far, it's just consolidating with a longer range. It's called a volatile consolidation. It's a volatile consolidation. Okay, so market is in range bound. Just look, this high, that low. Market is inside this price section. What happened? Just look over here. Market went lower, came back again until here. See, very near to that high. Not this week. This is the news candle week. This is the week. Okay, so it came back until that high here, then went lower, went until this low, then went higher. Still now it is consolidating. It's a high volatile consolidation. From 15-minute chart, nothing is clear yet. All we are I am trying just catching the move depending on the liquidity, depending on the narrative, depending on my experience. That's all. Okay, that's all. That's why I told that I'm bullish. I tweeted that long time ago. By the way, if anyone is interested, you can join me to my Twitter. If anyone is interested, okay. I would be bullish for today. Okay, so I did it 2 hours ago before even started this today's session. I was bullish, depending on all of this price action. After seeing this news candle, I just tweeted that I'm bullish. When market is going lower, I told that it can reach until that constant crossment or maximum this 4-hour fair value gap. Previously, there was a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I thought that it will be respected. Let me show you here. This is that bullish fair value gap. Let me mark it as well. This one and that one. This bullish fair value gap was my thinking that market will reverse from there, but it went lower a little bit. No respect at all to this bullish fair value gap. Just I just removed it from my chart. I'm bullish until this line. So over here I got another setup. I don't know it will let me in or not, but I'm not gonna push my button, that's for sure. So there is the market structure shift and no fair value gap, no fair value gap. And still there is a possibility to trade. There is no fair value gap. 8 handle stop loss or the to take it. I'm not gonna push my button. The reason is I have already pushed my button for 2 times. Gold moved London session very well. Yeah, that's why I choose London session. And yeah, I'll go for the London session gold chart. If any of you are interested, yeah, you can join me from Monday. Okay, I'll try to be regular over there for the gold. And I'm doing this, to be honest, brother, for some more viewers, for some more subscribers. Okay, that's why I'm doing this. It's my true opinion. I don't wanna hide anything. It's my true opinion. If you think that I'm selfish, you can say that. I mean, will trade GC or MGC on top step X towards them? I really don't know. MS 18706 to 708, 706 to 708, 706 to 708. Are you talking about this one? This fair value gap? Just a fair value gap, brother. I mean, I don't feel it comfortable. I mean, to mark it as inversion fair value gap. In a inversion fair value gap rules, if you follow the inversion fair value gap rules, this low fail to take that low. I will agree with you, but this price action is not telling me that I should go for that inversion fair value gap, and you can see it didn't respect well perfectly over there. Okay, so either way, I'm not interested to mark it as. But if you just follow the rules, yeah, absolutely, it's a inversion fair value gap. Absolutely, okay, I agree with you. But just look at this whole price action over here. I'm just not comfortable to mark that inversion fair value gap for precision. Okay, brother. Okay, they have gold futures in top step X now. Okay, I didn't know that. The 8:30 candle I was looking at. Okay, Jack, yes, they do. Yes, took the high. Be careful. It should keep going higher, brother. It should keep going higher until 18888.75. Until that line, it should keep going higher. Okay. A new channel name for the next week as well. Yeah, Rain. I will do that in Sunday, I guess. George will make the cover photo and profile picture for me. When if he miss it, then maybe it will be little late. Otherwise, I'm gonna change my channel name, Twitter, and the YouTube channel name in Sunday. Yes, I was looking at dates in version. Got it. Thank you so much, brother. No problem. Nancy, brother, no problem. I will join you in London. I have one giveaway account, one FX. I will trade gold with you. That's gonna be a difficult situation for me, brother. Please don't put me in that type of situation. I don't want anyone to trade with me. I don't want that. I'm just trying to explain how and why you should find out your bias. I am just trying to explain that one. No entry, nothing. Just how and when you should look for buy, when you should look for sell, which should be your bias, how you will mark your bias, how you will change your direction, everything. Okay, that's my intention, only intention. Why I'm not touching 5700? Why there is not two more I mean, what are they called? Red Cross or the volunteer. I need just two more volunteer over here. 116 people are watching. I don't believe that all of them are my subscriber. At least two people are over there who are not my subscriber. Look at this small fair value gap over here. See this small fair value gap? I want to see this fair value gap should be unfilled. This small fair value gap. If it is unfilled, market will you will see the volatility until that buy side liquidity. If it is unfilled, it is also called the institutional order flow entry. That means market will just tap to the fair value gap, then it will go higher. If it work like that way, you will see a boom until that buy side liquidity. Okay. GC and MGC gold future contracts, you can trade it as well with any prop firm. Oh, okay, brother. Just give me a screenshot to my Twitter so that I can start then gold trading. I can start to that. Well, it was very near to my target. It didn't hit my target. I'm sorry if it now reverse and stop me out. Uh, but I believe that it will take that buy side liquidity. Okay. So either way, it can fall now. Why? Because it's going to make relatively equal highs and it is going to keep it for later use. It can do that. We will see still. If you are in this trade, you have to take a partial when market is above that high. See this high? You have to take a partial above that high. If you don't want to take the partial, no problem. You have to put your stop loss to the break even. So if I were in this trade, I'm already in the break even. I'm already in the break even. If I am unable to take the partial, even if I take the partial, I will be in the break even. So either way, my stop loss will be at the break even. So maybe it won't give me any chance to write down boom. I don't know what do you think about this, but yeah, still it's okay. Okay, I was holding the trade till now. Oh man, that's a long time, man. Yo, I'm here. Hey, Rod. How are you, brother? Like and subscribe. Thank you, MS. Yeah, people should like and subscribe my channel. At least 5700. Guys, push the subscribe button, man. Make it 5700, please. Oh, go to hell. Did you say 1888? Yeah, I did say that. 0.75. You just missed the point. It's 1.18888.75. That's the level. Do you want me to let my son subscribe? Oh, Jack, I just need some new people. They are actually interested trading. Okay, I'm not asking that for subscription. I'm just asking that for new people. Okay, all I need some new people. They are interested to learn this concept. I really don't know about your son. I mean, I guess he's too younger. So please, I hope that you'll understand. Hey brother, check the DXY. Is it make 15-minute breaker block? High, low, higher, high. This low you are looking for a breaker block. If you are looking for a breaker block by that low or that down close candle, I can't argue. I can't argue. Yeah, I just can't argue. It can be a breaker block if you are looking for this one. But if you are looking for this one as your breaker block, either way, it's not a breaker block. I mean, market didn't take that low. So if you ask this one is a mitigation block, I don't know about that. But this is not a breaker block, that's for sure. This one, if you ask for, I can say it can be the breaker block. I joking, no problem, brother. Elena, brother, what did you say? T2 5698 to 5700. There is a fair value gap. I don't know that. 5698 5698 569. What did you say? 5698 5700. There is a, what is 5698? Can you tell me where is 56? What is 56 actually? I can't see it. 56005698, brother. Oh, okay. 5698 to 5700. You are talking about this thing. I guess so, man. Yeah. I got you now. I got you now, man. 5698. There is a volume imbalance, I guess. That volume imbalance should be filled by body, and then it will hit the market will hit 5700. I'll be here for 6 more minutes. Let's see if it can hit anything over there. Okay, can I write down boom? And thank you for that hindsight, brother. By the way, this is my favorite model. Okay, this breaker block. It gives me 95% winning possibilities. Now what market will do, I don't know. I'm done for the day. But if you ask me, I'm bullish. And you know the way how to trade, I have shown that lot of time. Market will go higher, make 1 minute buy side sell side liquidity, take 1 minute sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom, boom. Thank you for that boom, Casey. Oh, hello. 5698 might be yes. No, it's he's talking about my here 5698, my subscriber. So he's talking about 5698 and 5700. So he's talking about when Cruz boom. Thank you, brother. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I go. Amashlama boom. Thank you, man. By the way, in the comment box there is the Twitter link. If anyone is interested to join me in my Twitter, you are welcome to join me in my Twitter, and I will request you to join me over there. Yeah, I tweet a lot, but all of this for your improvement. Okay. Boom. Thank you, Ahmed. Oh, my trading. Thank you, brother, for the boom. I had boom trade. Oh man. Jen, boom. Thank you, man. Everyone, boom for a wizard. Please. Thank you, Ahmed. Elena, hope you reach 5700 soon. I guess so, brother. But it's not going to happen today because I have just left 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to close my session for today. I have to prepare for a long journey now. So tomorrow I won't be here around the morning session. If I come, I will be at the PM session, not a promise. And I know that you guys need a need a break from my over talking, too much talking. So yeah, tomorrow you are going to get that break. Elena, big boom, good, brother, boom. Thank you. Oh, hello, thank you, man. Uh, Miguel, thank you, brother. Jack T, thank you. Jerry Swick, thank you. MS, thank you. Just type GCM 2024. I'm just taking a screenshot so that I can type it later. Okay, so I will type it. Martin Novotny, you are here, brother. You are now for telling me bye. You should come little earlier, then I would be able to take some bye, brother. I just missed all the bye. This week, happy Wizards Day. Thank you, brother. So this week so far in Monday and Tuesday, I had a bad time. I get some losing trade, I get some winning trade over there, so it was kind of boom boom. Yesterday and today, just awesome, just awesome. Now you can say, brother, you took a break even over here. I am just I'm showing you how to control yourself. Here, one winning trade, I'm done for the day. I don't need to take this breaker block entry. I don't need to take it. Even if I was sure market is market is going to take at least this buy side liquidity. Okay, it's not hindsight. I talk about that for so long. Here for 15-minute fair value gap, I told that if it make a 15-minute fair value gap, it's cool. But in Wednesday and Thursday, you don't need to wait for 15-minute fair value gap. You just don't need to wait for that. Okay. How long I'm bullish until it proves me wrong. It's cool. This line 18 888.75, until that line I'm bullish. Okay, so that's all. I will just wait 2 more minutes, sorry, 1 more minute, then I'll be done. Okay, guys, I can see 112 people are watching. I got 93 likes. Okay, so if you can give me 7 more likes, at least 7 more likes. If you don't wanna subscribe, I can understand, but just give me the likes, then it will be at least 100 likes. I You can say that this guy always beg for likes. Yeah, I beg for that. I really beg for that because I need more people who are interested to learn this ICT concept. This is the most easiest concept. All you need to just control yourself. That's all you need. So I need more people to reach my understanding. Okay, to give my understanding. That's why I need more people. At my beginning, I told that I'm going to give everything I have in my mind. I'm going to give everything. So in that time, some of you did some troll and you told, I got that reply. If you watch my previous stream, you will see in that stream live comment. One guy just told me every YouTuber start like that way. Then they told that they will give everything. Later they start the private mentorship or something like that. They start to sell their course. I told him that, brother, I'm not like them. I'm not gonna keep anything inside of me. Whatever I know, I will give everything. So one after another, I'm just giving it to you. I don't know you are catching it or not. For you, it's not valuable for you that Wednesday and Thursday, most of the time, not always, 80% of the time, market work like this way. For some of you, it's not an important information. For some of you, this information will help you to get lot of entries by these 2 days. For some of you, for other days, okay, not Wednesday and Thursday, 15-minute fair value gap, trade that 15-minute fair value gap, mark the buy side liquidity, 1 minute structure shift, everything from 1 minute chart. For some of you, it's not an important information, but for some of you as well, it's a very, very, very and highly important information. I'm giving everything to you. I'm not gonna keep anything, okay? So here I'm just telling you one more thing, and that is very soon I'm gonna quit everything. This YouTube, Twitter, maybe I'll be in Twitter, maybe. But this YouTube, I'm gonna quit. This live streaming, video uploading, every single thing, I'm just gonna quit. So you will never see me again in YouTube, and it's gonna be very soon. Believe it or not, it's going to happen. So I'm not asking all of these things for my for getting famous, okay? So for something like that. No, I'm not doing this. I just want to make sure that I I just send everything I know as much as people I can. That's my target. That's why I beg for like. I believe that if you give me the likes, it's free. You are not you don't need to pay anything. You just can give me a like, and I beg for that. I'm not ashamed of that. I'll keep begging for that. You are not going to understand me, but you will miss me. That's for sure. Okay, what's the level now? We have blue. I gave you the level already. This is the level 18888.75. Not sure market will go over that today or not, but that's my target. I'm not bearish, at least not right now. All I need to see another retracement. Market will take liquidity. Boom. We'll keep doing this. That's my interest. So that's my next level, next interest, everything. Thumbs up. Thank you, Sida Pro. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Thank you, Sida Pro. Mokhom, nice trade. You are most welcome, brother. Predicted everything you do, brother. Thank you, brother, for that comment, brother. This info helps me become better. Thank you, Jerry Swick. Welcome, my wife. Okay, Theo. Welcome, Theo's wife. Welcome to my channel, Theo's wife. So, did I get another subscriber? Yeah, I got another one. So, 5699. I was very near to touch 5700. But really, welcome, Theo's wife, my channel. Thank you, brother. Don't be like that, Chitu. Don't leave us. I will do that, brother. I don't know, but I'll do that. I mean, I'm not gonna continue this for forever. So when I'm done, I'm done. I'm a very mad guy. I'm going to cry on my pillow then. I'm gonna miss you so much, brother. That's my achievement. That some of you actually thinks me that I'm your brother. So not I'm not good for I'm good for nothing. I don't believe it anymore because I believe that some of you get little help from me, as at least little help. Hey brother, have you seen the Green Knight 2021? I'm gonna take a screenshot and I will watch that movie. If I didn't watch, I don't remember the name actually, but yeah, I will watch that. Waiting to sell at 18780. Sujit is still holding. Okay, brother, it's up to you. I'm done. Okay, I'm just done for today. So guys, I guess that today's session was little insightful for you. Don't judge me by that break even, please. Still, it hit my target. That was my target. Even it didn't hit my stop loss, or else my stop losses. Then this one and that one. I believe that you got something from here. Why that sell side liquidity was not my target? Why I was not thinking that market is going lower? I explained that from the beginning, and why I was bullish. I explained that as well. So if you think that it's little helpful, make sure that you give me the like before leaving the session. And if you're new to my channel, keep coming. I'm not talking to Theo's wife because I don't know she's a trader or not. But whatever, whoever actually really trader and you like my style of trading or my boring lecture and subscribe me, make sure that if you keep coming, okay, you will keep coming. So thank you guys. Looks like we will push 18800 today. I don't know, brother. I'm just gonna quit for today, okay? 1.5 standard deviation. Yeah, that level is 1. Oh, okay. You are looking for that standard deviation. Let me check it. I don't know it's perfectly or not, but yeah, normally I'll just, yeah, it should reach until that area. make sure there, and I guess it will reach until that area, I guess. You have a private group? No, I don't have any private group, sister. I have everything over here and it's all free. So yeah, I have no private group. I have a group in my Discord, and that is actually just for those people who are doing the psychological challenge right now. Okay, so this is just for them, and it's not it's a private group, but still it's not paid group or something like that. It's just a psychological challenge group. And as I told you yesterday, if anyone is interested about to join over here, all you have to do is you have to avoid trading in any other account except this account, at least for 20 trading days, and you have to give me the screenshot for 1 week at least. You have to keep giving me the screenshot. Okay, that's all. So yeah. Oh, she's a trader. Oh, okay. And then congratulations, both husband and wife couple. You're a couple trader. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. And one more thing, please, if anyone interest, please join me over here in my Twitter. It's my request. Okay, please join me over there. So yeah, that's all for today. I guess I will meet tomorrow until PM session. I'm not sure it, but yeah, until the next time. Cheers, guys. See you. Bye.